Question for the day is to write a program to display each letter of a word entered by user. For example, the sample input is the word code. The sample output has to be CODE. We have to extract each character from the word and print it in new line. For this, we should understand string operations in Java. So we already know about the data type string, right? The string class. It's a string class which has a set of built-in methods that we can use on strings. Today we are going to understand more about these built-in methods, and we are going to use some of these built-in methods to solve this problem. Let's understand this program. The program name of the class is program, and I have defined a string st and assigned st with shooters, the word shooters. Then I declared another string variable st1, assigned world, another variable st2, and assigned lowercase world to it. Now I'm going to print system out print ln. The st.length means it is going to extract the length of the string st. We have shooters stored in the variable st, so which you can see number of characters is 8, and hence st.length is going to return 8 as the output, which you can see. Now I want to extract the substring, few characters from this word shooters. I can use substring and pass two numbers, starting index of the character from which I want to start extracting and ending index. Or in other words, we can understand like this. Suppose I want to extract uh, SH, then S is starting index is 0 and two characters, right? So 0 plus 2 is 2. Just keep 2 here and run the code. The output, see the output, SH is extracted. If I want to extract some characters from in between, starting with O, which is at index 0, 1, 2, 3, starting index is 3, and I want to extract OTERS, right? That will be together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters. So 3 and 3 plus 5, ending index is going to be 7. Let's run the program and see. So 3 plus 4, 7. OTER, right? It extracted 4 characters. If I change it to 8, it will extract 5 character starting from O. I hope you understood. Now let's quickly understand other string operations or string methods. Coming to the same program, I'm going to comment the previous 2 lines and uncomment the line number 9 in the code, which says string system out println st.caret 3. Let's run and check the output. It is going to extract single character at index 3. So look at the word SHO. O is the character at index 3, and hence the output is O. Now let me change it to 5, character at index 5. So yes, the character E is extracted. So if you want to extract one single character, we can use this. So let's understand the next method, which is index of. Suppose I want to find out the index of any particular character from the string, I can use this st.index of. Here I passed the character R. Remember, you have to place R between single quote, and it's going to return the index of the character R, which is 6. Now, next is the lowercase. Suppose I want to convert the string to lowercase, I can use st to lowercase method. Let's run and check the output. St shooters is in uppercase, but the output is printed in lowercase. Now, similarly, we have st to uppercase to convert the string to uppercase. Already shooters is in uppercase, so let's pass st2 to uppercase. st2 is got world in lowercase, and it's going to get converted to uppercase as you see the output. Um, Next, suppose I want to replace some part of the string with another string. For as in st, I'm to replace sh with cu, and then I can use st to replace and pass the two strings. Since they more than one character, we have to place it between double quote. Look at the output. The sh got replaced with cu. Next one is concatenate. Concatenate. Concatenate means add together. So the short form is t.concat arena. So I just going to join the string st with a new string arena. So let's look at the output and we will understand it more clearly. So shooters arena it became, right? Concatenation. This is very useful method. Now I'm going to define a boolean variable z and store st dot equals st1 equals. This is a very good method, a very useful method which we will apply to solve many problems in Java. Yeah, equals means it's going to compare st with st1, and if st and st1 are same string, then it's going to return a boolean output, true or false accordingly. I'm going to print this output and see. It's false because st and st1, as you can see, are two different strings. So output is false. Now let's another method is equals ignore case. It will compare st1 two strings and ignoring the case. So if we compare st1 and st2, both are in, one is in upper and lower case. But if I use st1 equals, it will return a false. But st1 equals ignore case is going to return true. Yes, as you can see. Now the last method is compare. Let's understand about compare to method in Java. Compare to is different from equals. Equals compare the string directly, check whether words are same or not. Where compare to will compare the words as in a lexicographically manner, means in the order in which the words appear in the dictionary, right? For example, st and suppose two strings I'm going to compare. Today we have st word is shooters and st2 word is world. So if I write st dot compare to st1, the, the world is inside the argument. So world appears later uh, in the dictionary, right? Later than the word shooters in the dictionary. So it's going to return a value less than 0. If the argument is a string lexicographically greater than the string, then value less than 0 value is returned. If the argument is a string lexicographically less than the string, then a value greater than 0 is returned. If both the strings are same, we will get a value 0 as the output. Now let's try this and run this program and compare the st with st1 and run the program. So lexicographically, the word appears much later in the dictionary than shooter, so we get a negative value. Less than 0 value is the output.